here on Twitch. And today we're going to be talking about bots off of Twitch. So we're going to talk about bots over on Facebook. What? Dun, dun, dun. I tried to start this with this bot on my head, but it was like, I think my nose has grown or something since the last time I wore my bot head because I got stuck in it somehow. But I'm just going to keep my bot with me. So I am Molly Mahoney. I am pretty new to Twitch, and I'm stoked to be here with you as we talk about bot basics. So this is the basics of Messenger bots. And this is a part of a 4-part series, actually. I am going to do a couple of cool things since we are brand new. This is BeLive TV that I'm using right now, and we are in beta still. So there's all these B's. We're BeLive with bot basics and we're in beta. So I'm stoked to be here with you. I'm going to be giving you an overview of ManyChat, which is the tool that we use for our bots. And it's going to be super cool. If you are watching this in the replay, I wanted to introduce you to our Discord channel. Holy smokes, I'm pretty new to Discord, and our Discord channel is like crazy. Oh my gosh, Carla, I can't tell you how much I love you. Thank you. Carla's here. Hooray. Can I see your ta-da? Yo, yo, yo. I'm still getting so, it's still, I can't talk. Twitch is still so new to me, so it's so great to see beautiful faces that I know. Thank you, Carla. Let me know if you're here. Hooray. And if you're new to Twitch as well, let me explain what Discord is. If you're a Twitch pro, you can totally help me out because I'm still learning all the ins and outs. But I'm stoked to be here, and I'm so glad that you're here with me. So Discord is a super cool platform that is a chat platform. It's super similar to Slack, and we actually have our own Discord channel for BeLive TV. And especially while we're in beta, this has been seriously awesome because there's amazing support and just people answering questions. And we want your feedback about using BeLive here on Twitch. And so it's been a really amazing thing to be happening over there. So yes, yes, Gutsy Gal, good to see you. So good. And if you want to try to use BeLive here on Twitch as well, in addition to learning about how to build some messenger bots, which is what we're going to do today, we have Scott. Awesome. Scott is in our Discord channel, right? Yoo-hoo. Okay, so if you head over to BeLiveTV.Twitch, you can get access to the beta tool of BeLive TV. It's so cool. So the things that you're able to do here with BeLive are things like this. You can add the little crawler on the bottom where it says BeLive.TV/Twitch. You can add labels like this where it says bot basics. You can add a frame like you see around here where it says bot basics. I can make that go away. Bloop, bloop. And it's all browser based. So it's super crazy easy. Oh my gosh, Ellen, you are truly I love you so much. And that video that you posted this morning was so funny. Okay. So, and you guys can see, Scott, I'm going to say that any like Twitch info that you want to shout out at us down below, I'm super ready to let you do that. Like to be like, give us all the secrets. So I'm still learning so much about Twitch, but you guys can see that Scott has the little crown next to his name. There's all kinds of cool, fun things that we can do here on Twitch. Okay. But this video today, we're going to be talking about messenger bots, Mallstars. Yeah, and let me know if you're a Mallstar. Man, I love the Mallstars so much. I just like smacked myself in the chest. I was so happy about that. That was from oh my gosh. Okay. LOL. I love it. All right. So I'm going to be jumping into bot basics. This is going to be part 1 of 4 videos. We will be coming here on Tuesdays at 3 p.m. Pacific. And then I believe we'll be saving these here. So they're video on demand style so that you can review them. All brought to you by BeLive TV. How cool is that? And we are using the tool called ManyChat. So let me tell you, when I head over to my little BeLive app here, I can actually share my screen, which is so cool. So I'm going to pull up my bot dashboard in here. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm going to pull over my little bot dashboard in here. Yeah, so this is an example of a bot. This is a test bot that we have that we call the show bot. So for those of you that I don't know, I am a member of the team here at BeLive. I host shows for them once a week over on our Facebook page. I'm starting to play here on Twitch as well. So I have been live streaming for them for over a year. I also have my own company called The Prepared Performer, where we teach you how to bring you into your marketing using video and automation so that you can attract a flood of leads who are ready to throw a credit card at your face. And one of the things that we love is building out messenger bots. So we have a course on this. Yes, cheering in. Dude, I'm so stoked on all my friends that made it. We have a course on how to build messenger bots, and this is like a little teaser version of our course. So this is just straight up for you, value. I'm going to walk you through the basics so that you can get started with building your own messenger bot as well. And if you have any questions that come up, I would love to know what they are. So give us the questions down in the comments there, and I'll do my best to keep an eye on it. Hi, Tina. Yes, I love it. So good. We got all these BeLivers here. Give us a BeLiver down below if you're a BeLiver as well. Okay, and if you're new to the community, that is super duper awesome if you're new to the BeLive community, because we are, as I mentioned, we are still in beta, and it's pretty dope. So you'll see I have one active subscriber here in this show bot. This is a bot that my team member Kelly and I created to use as a place to hold templates so that we can share all the magic that there is to share about it. Ooh, I'm going to take the frame. Can you guys see the whole screen there? Let's try this. What? Okay. So I am going to walk you through everything that it takes to build a bot. And today we are going to be focusing on just the dashboard. So if we've never met before, I want you to know that I usually speak very quickly. Today, I'm going to do my best to go super slow, and we're just going to cover the dashboard today. We've got about 50 more minutes to go through this so I can answer questions as well. So good. I love you guys here. Sue, it's good to see you. We missed you today. So good. Yeah, and I think it's actually awesome for us to be here over on Twitch trying to figure this thing out. It's pretty cool, right? And today we're only going to be tapping into the magic of what's actually here. Ro, you're Ro from my life. I love it. So good. Okay. So I should have guessed that it was you, Ro, with their gutsy gal name. It's one thing, honestly, I'm just going to be this is my place where I'm going to be real and play. And I want you to know I was a little freaked out about coming to Twitch because you can't see people's actual names and it terrifies me. But I'm stepping into my fear. Okay. So it's awesome. Okay. So we're going to go through this dashboard. So when you first come to the dashboard, you'll notice this thing up here, which is a place for announcements within ManyChat. Right above it, you'll see this. Now, since this is not a real Facebook page, this bot link is like a weird long number. On a normal Facebook page, let me just take you over to mine really quick. So this is my Facebook page. You'll see that up here, there's this little link right here, right? Oh, you know what I just realized? Before I actually jump into this, maybe I should tell you why on earth you would even want to use a messenger bot. So messenger bots, it's a tool that you can connect to your Facebook business page on your messenger account, and you can send messages out. You can welcome in new subscribers. You can send, look at it. So good. You can send messages out. You can welcome in new subscribers. It makes a really fun, engaging way to support your community. So on the bottom, we'll go through this, but on the bottom, there's a little menu that pops up. When people go to message you, they click this little get started button, and then you can have all sorts of cool automated things that come at them. What happens is when people go to use a tool like ManyChat or any of the other tools that are out there, Mobile Monkey, Opesta, what's the Chat Fuel? There's so many tools that you can use. I have found that ManyChat is the easiest. And maybe it's because it was one of the first. And so they have a really awesome Facebook community. And, I really dove in right away. But what happens for most people when they go to the dashboard, they're like, what the heck? There's all sorts of words that are not normal. The strategy is like enough to figure out. And then to have to figure out the technology, it's like cuckoo. I'm hoping that I'm not really frozen. So I'm going to keep going. My computer has been a little funny today though. So If I am frozen, I'm sure it's my computer's fault. Maybe it's just on Julie's side. Okay, so this tool, perfect. Thank you, gutsy gal. This tool gives you the ability to create this whole automated system behind your Facebook Messenger. And some of the main reasons that we love Messenger bots so well, we love it so much, is if you are using an email service provider, so an email list, if you're building an email list, if you have an email list, give me the word list down below. I like to use the word community, so like a messenger community, not a list, but let's just get to it. So if you have an email list that you're building, comment with the word list down below. Most people who have an email list, they are reaching about, at like tops, a 20% open rate. So let's say you have an email list of 100 people. You send a message to these 100 people, like something that's super important, valuable, that you want them to hear. 20 of them are likely to open it. That's crazy. And for most people, it's actually around 13%. So already it's like, man, what a bummer, right? Now, on Messenger, the open rate has been, we have several clients, and so I can see within theirs too, right? The Messenger 80%. Right now, it's around 70 to 80% on average. So the reason that I'm telling you that it's declining a little bit is because the time to jump in on this is right now. Like, you don't want to wait any longer, because I'm sure eventually in a couple of years, it's going to be just like email. But right now, it's still so new and fresh, and people really live on Messenger. So right now, it's like an amazing time to be able to jump in and do this. So, I like to look at, there's little, okay, I get excited about the little buttons on the bottom of the screen. Oh, wait, hold on. What? Yeah. Okay. So so it's like right now is the time to jump in and do this. So if you have a bot, comment below with the word bot, because I want to know if you're already playing in this space as well. The other thing that's really cool is the click-through rates have been way higher as well. So on an email, a good click-through rate is around 1%. But with a messenger, as I'm going to show you, you can with messenger, wait, let me just show you this. Well, that burrito ad made me hungry and it rudely interrupted you. So that is something about Twitch that's a little different. There's an ad every time you start watching a video, unless you subscribe to the channel. So I don't know if we've set up our channel with the ability to subscribe to here at BeLive, but super funny. If you subscribe, you don't get ads. And if you connect your account to Prime, to your Amazon Prime account, because Twitch is owned by Amazon, you get one free subscription. So look at that. You wouldn't even have to pay. Okay, bot baby, I love it, Botastic. Yes. Okay, so if you are using a bot, the click-through rate has been way higher as well, because not only do more people see it, but also you can add emojis, you can add GIFs, you can add photos, you can make it really fun and interactive, and you can ask questions. It's like a choose your own adventure book. So it's not like an email that just has options that lead you to a website. You can actually, I'll show you, but you can actually send a message where they click a message and then it sends a response and then another message can come. So you can have these whole flows of messages. It's seriously amazing. Okay, are you ready to see more about our awesome bots? I hope so. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this up. Oops. There we go. So you can see on my personal bot page up here in the corner, whatever your URL is on your Facebook business page, like whatever the slug is, and the slug is the words that come after the .com, like facebook.com/ mine is the prepared performer. This is the bot link. So if you go to this bot link, you will be sent to my messenger bot. If you've never received a message from my messenger bot before, then you will get our welcome message, which I'll walk you through in a bit. If you have, then you're going to just be sent to the chat conversation. So whatever the last message was, you'll get that when you go to this welcome message right here. But super cool. So you can send people straight to your bot by using this link. Okay, I'm going to go back over to our show bot. And since we are still in beta, I'm going to ask you some questions also. Can you see my whole screen? Like over here where this search bar is on the left-hand side? I should pull up my Twitch channel on my phone. But over here, can you see the word dashboard, audience, live chat, or is it kind of cut off? I can't tell. Maybe. Oh. I wonder, I think maybe I had my screen zoomed in. I don't know. Okay, let me know. Okay. Yeah, it is kind of cut off. Okay. Oh, you can't see the link. Oh my gosh. Good job. Duh. Hold on. My face is covering it. So let me do this. Let me go back to mine. So the link is right up here on the top. It was underneath my face. So thank you for letting me know. Right here on the top. It's just the slug from my business page, but sometimes it's hard to remember or find. So I love that they keep that right there. Okay. And now we're going to go back to Showbot. So we are in beta here at BeLive. So that's a cool thing that I'm going to tell our peeps, and we'll fix that. Okay. So let me see if I can zoom out. If I zoom out, maybe you'll be able to see it. No, that made it worse. I think that made it worse. Yeah, that made it worse. Okay, let's go to regular view. Okay, actual size. I'm going to tell you what it says on the side because it's not actually really going to matter. Actual size. Okay, so over here on the side is what we're going to go through. So the first thing that you're at is your dashboard, and this shows you your active subscribers. You can also change it so that it shows you net subscribes and subscribers and unsubscribers, which is pretty cool. And then be aware that right here, you're only going to be looking at the number of subscribers that have come in during this time period. Sometimes we have people go and look at this and they're like, oh my gosh, I lost subscribers, but it's because they're looking at it during a certain time period. So you can adjust that by clicking on that. Okay. And like I said, this is going to be an overview. So you're not going to see, I'm not going to go into too much detail, but I really want to just give you a general idea of what is possible. And if you have a messenger bot, there's a lot of things that have changed recently. So this is going to be kind of good. Okay, the next thing is your audience. Now, if someone is an unknown subscriber, that means you haven't followed the rules of the messenger bot properly, or that it's like a fake account. But what will usually happen is you'll see all of your subscribers here. And when you click on them, they will show up here and you'll be able to see any tags that were added to them, just like you would in the tags work like they do in an email service provider, like with Infusionsoft or ConvertKit. You want to tag people so that you can segment out your list. And so they don't see that you've tagged them. It's not like a tag on Facebook or Twitch or I don't know. Can you tag people on Twitch? I don't think you can. I meant to say Twitter, Instagram. It's not a tag like that. It's a tag on the backside so that you can segment your audience. If they subscribe to a sequence, that'll be here. And if they have filled out any information into what's called a custom field, which is so super cool, all of their information will be set right here. It also tells you how they opted in. When it says direct, that means that they messaged you straight from your business page. They went to your business page and they clicked send message. If they came through a different method, there's so many other options, then it'll say that right here. Okay, 2 little tips about this section. When you click on this, you can actually delete the user data. So if you get some creeper in there, which happens from time to time, just delete them. You can click this, which will unsubscribe them, right? Or you can click this, which is cool, and it will actually start a chat with them. Excuse me. So what's neat about this chat is you'll be able to see what they've written you in the past. And if you click this little button right here, when there are bot conversations inside that chat, by clicking that little button, it'll actually delete anything that was sent or initiated from the bot. This chat is new and no one's really had a conversation here, but that's pretty cool. Okay. Perfect. Give me a, ooh, shoot, Mimi. Oh my gosh, Mimi, I thought that it said meme. Like memes are really big here on Twitch and I didn't realize it was you. And so I kind of ignored it because I thought it was somebody I didn't know. So Mimi, I don't know. I think you should refresh it maybe. Can you hear me, Mimi? Refresh it. Okay. Let me know if you're following. This is going good. Say keep going if I can keep going. Okay. I thought you were some troll. Okay. Okay. So this is the live chat. Now the live chat is actually super cool because once you start sending out loads and loads of messages, you're going to get responses from actual humans. Imagine that. And it can become really hard to actually keep up with that. And so this live chat is awesome. You can assign things to certain people who the heck is that? an admin on my, I don't know who that is. That's crazy. Interesting. You can assign certain people. These are members. That is like really weird. These are members of my team. I have no idea who that person is. So maybe someone changed their name. We're going to go figure it out. And you can like move these away. So you can mark it as done and then it's gone. So it cleans out your inbox, which is pretty cool. Ta-da! Okay. Let's go on. Growth tools is the next thing. And you want to make sure that the live chat is turned on. And I'll show you how to do that later at the end. Okay, we're going to go to growth tools. I'm just checking back on you. Keep going. Thank you, Julie. Okay. So now we are on to growth tools. So growth tools, these are all like test growth tools that we have in here. So this isn't real because it's a test bot. So I'm just going to show you how the growth tools work. When you click on new growth tool, there are all of these options, a bar on the top of your website, a slide in, and it's cool when you click on it, it actually brings an example of it up over here on the side. Watch. Boop. So it shows you exactly what it would look like. What? So cool. So there's loads of options there in the growth tools, and the growth tools are really the way to bring people into your messenger bot. The impressions is how many people saw that with it. So when you have comment below a page of a post of yours on Facebook, as many people commented will be here, and then however many people actually completed the opt-in will be here. Then you'll see the conversion rate here. One thing that's really important is in order for someone to be opted into your bot, they have to actually message you. So just because you send them a message, it doesn't mean that they're opted in. They have to actually send you a message to confirm that they are opted in. And one thing that's really cool is you can actually create that with a button. So if someone clicks a button, it acts as if they send you a message and then they're opted in, which is awesome. Yes, Mimi is here and back. Awesome. Okay. If there's ever anything that you can't see because my face is covering it, oh, I could do it like this, but then it's going to be smaller. Oh, yeah. So let's do that. Okay. Just let me know if you want me to move my face. Say, move your face in the comments. Okay. In the chat. Okay. So growth tools. There's loads of growth tools. We'll get into all those later. Broadcasting. So broadcasting is where you actually send a message out to your entire list or to a segmented part of your list. There's two options for this. You can broadcast from a flow, which is super dope. A flow is basically just a conversation that you've mapped out already. So you can pull from your flows. Watch, if I go like this, I can select from any of our flows, which can be organized in all kinds of ways. Or I can create a new broadcast. I'm not going to get into that, but we'll get into that later. Just know that's what that's for. Auto posting. You want to make sure you have this off. I have had clients that accidentally, when they first start, Carla asked a great question. Mini chat integration with Twitch? No, not yet. I'm just using it on Twitch to teach you how to use it over on Facebook because I figured this was the closest I could get to a video game or something that was like cool. I'm going to start doing other things too, but we thought it'd be a fun way. We have some really cool things that are coming up here on Twitch with bots. And so we thought this would be a good way to ease into it. Okay. Don't be confused. Okay. So we, with this auto posting, what happens is when people click on this button, it will connect you to the RSS feed, which is your blog feed, the Twitter feed, the YouTube feed, or your Facebook, YouTube, like your subscriptions or your videos that come out, or your Facebook channel. Don't do this. I have clients who have done this, and then every single thing they post on Facebook gets sent out via their bot. It's like instant disaster. Make sure this is turned off. Okay. Now we're into the cool stuff. So automation, and this is like a test mess. So don't look at what we're actually doing. But this is an example that we have used for LuLaRoe clients. So it gives you an example. What it is here is you can see, let me make sure you can actually see it. This shows you an example over, oh, it's super cut off. Weird. Okay, it shows you over here on the right though, that the main menu is here on the bottom. So VIP group, insider info, if you click on it, it'll actually show you what it looks like on the phone, which is pretty cool. And then you can set 3, you have up to 3 different main menu items, and then you can put 5 underneath. So you have a total of 15 items that you can include here. And then it can also go to an actual message. When it goes to the message, it brings you here where you can actually see real text and going through the message. Super fun. So that's the main menu. Default reply is something like a catch-all. So we usually say to turn these off. We do have one client who had like 800,000 likes on her Facebook page. Totally cuckoo. And she would get messages on the weekend all the time. She has a subscription service. And so she would get lots of people saying, you know, like I have a question about my subscription, and then there wouldn't be a person there to answer, and then it would be tricky. So on the weekends, we would turn her default reply on, and then on Monday, we would turn it off, which is a cool option, I think. But for the most part, I leave this default reply off because sometimes it replies in the middle of things and it's like really annoying. Okay, the welcome message is the first message that they get right when they join your bot. We like to use these delays in them. We'll get into that later, but that's a welcome message. Super cool. And the way that they first message your bot is by going to your Facebook page and clicking send. Okay, keywords. This is super cool. So there's 2 different types of keywords. One is forward facing, when they actually comment below your post. That is called a trigger keyword. So when they comment below a post, they get sent a message automatically, right? And then that message that they're sent asks them to reply with another keyword. So those 2 keywords work independent of each other. Just because you set up a comment keyword, it does not mean that the internal keyword will be set up. So we call them a trigger keyword, and sometimes we call it the OG keyword, like the original gangsta keyword inside. But just keep in mind, they're 2 separate things. So there's a trigger keyword and an internal keyword. So this one right here, these are the internal keywords. We'll get into this later in this series. Just wanted to let you know what it is and that it's different than a trigger keyword. And these keywords work all the time. So anytime someone messages this page with when, they're going to get sent that message. Okay, sequences. These are really fun. So let me show you. What do I have here? No, that's just one. I wanted to show you one that was already done. So here, 5-day challenge. So we have a 5-day challenge that we implement for our clients. And so we've saved it as a sequence. For some of our clients, we've built out crazy detailed sequences, but this is a series of messages that are time-based. So it's not based on a date. It's based on a time. It's like a time release sequence, right? Okay. Let me see what else we have in here. Yeah. So like shipping info, your order has arrived, stuff like that. Really cool. But if you want to send a message out that goes on like a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you want to, you could actually do that in here too. Look, you could say 3 days after any time. You could set the send between a certain amount of time, and then you can actually set only on Monday, only on Tuesday. Which is cool. But if you wanted to send out on the 16th at a certain time, you have to send it as a broadcast, which we covered earlier. Okay. And then rules. This one's really cool. It is still in beta, but it's pretty dang awesome. And I feel like I'm speaking slower than I've ever spoken in my life, but just in case, keep me posted in the chat. Make sure everything's okay. Okay. Rules. So this is super cool because you can set up, like for some of these things, you used to have to use a Zap, like with Zapier, but now you don't need to. So you can set up a rule that is, when this happens, it's like an if this, then that. When someone is a new subscriber, they're automatically subscribed to something. Or when someone is a custom field value is changed, some other action can happen. When a tag is applied, all these different things. Like let's say you want to be notified as an admin every time there's a new subscriber. You would click new subscriber, and then you would click notify admins. And then you can select how you want to be notified or who wants to be notified, and a custom message as well. So like on my page, we have some forms for people to fill out that are cool. And I want to be notified every time anyone fills out a form. So it sends me a specific message. This is also great if you want to go back and tag a bunch of people and then subscribe. But I guess you can just do, there's a bunch of different things you can do with this. We're not going to get into it. Okay. And you can also, one more thing. Anytime there's a new subscriber, you could add their information. Oh, that's not in here. I did not connect it. There's a few other things that you can do that are not connected on this one, like adding it to a spreadsheet. I'll show you how to do it in a second. Adding them to ConvertKit, all different kinds of things that you can do. Really awesome. Like, let's say everybody had entered their email address into a custom field, but you didn't get it into ConvertKit. You could say anytime they're tagged with a certain tag, it automatically pulls their email address and subscribes them to your email account within ConvertKit. What? So cool. Wouldn't that be a pro account? Notify the admins. So oh shoot. Yes, it is blocking that. Let's do the yes. So I only use the pro account because it's only $10. So I'm not 100% sure. Do we have a pro account on this one? We do, because in order to build all this stuff, I'm paying $10 a month, so I can do that. It'll say pro next to it, right? Let's start this again. So delete here. Yeah, pro. It says it right there. Yes. But you can do a pro, you have up to 4 growth tools. If you don't have a pro account, it's only $10. It's super worth it. Okay. Flows. This is like magic. So you can organize all of these all of these things, all of these messages, these conversations into different folders. It's like so magical. So let me find one that's a little longer because I want to show you something cool. Okay, watch this. We have these shirt style quizzes. It actually has, you can see all of this. It has loads of messages. Can you guys still see this? Is it too small? Let me know. Yeah, Ellen says the pro account is very worth it. I know. Okay, hopefully you can still, it's big enough to see it. So watch what happens. I'm actually going to make this solo for you to see the whole screen. Watch what happens when I click up here. I click go to Flow Builder. Magic ensues. Maybe. It's taking a moment, I think. Oh my gosh, do you see that? So this is the whole entire conversation all out, which is so awesome. So if you're building bots for clients, this can be gold because you can actually print this out as a PNG. You can come up to the right-hand side. There's 3 little dots. You click it and you can share this flow by downloading it as a PNG, or you can actually embed it, which is cuckoo, or share a link as well. So cool. I'm just checking on you really quick. Okay. Super cool, right? And then this is neat because you can actually, whoa, sorry. Let me scroll in here. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. So this is a quiz that we have created for LuLaRoe clients, and it will score them. Look at this. You set a custom field. This is my team member, Kelly, builds these ones, but you can set a custom field, which is where they'll click this and then it will automatically set the custom field to increase by 1, 2, 3, or 4. And then at the end, it'll tell them what their score is. That's so cool. It'll tell them what their score is at the end. So they'll know what their number is, and it'll tell them which shirt is the right shirt for them. Does that blow your mind? It blows my mind every time I look at it. So give me a mind blown. Okay. So those are flows. Super cool. And you can look at them in this crazy laid out fashion, or you can look at them in the basic builder. Either way. Okay. Settings. This is such a fun place to be. So the settings, you can have greeting text, which is what shows up when people go to message your page. So on ours, let me show you what we have on ours. I'll go to my settings now. R says, up-level your visibility, credibility, and be known as the authority in your space. I'm going to add to this so you can attract. Am I going to run out of space? Shoot. Let's do this. So, and be known. You can get credit cards thrown at your face. Oh, man. Okay, and then I'm going to say click get started. I'm going to do this to connect or learn more because it says get started on the bottom when they first go to message you. Okay, we save that. Oh, see how it looks? I'll be able to show you how it looks. So they see this. Can you see that? When they first come to your page, if they click send a message, they'll see that little message right there, and then see how it says get started on the bottom. They'll see that on the bottom where it says get started. Okay. Awesome. Ellen says she's looking for the hearts to click. Oh my gosh, so funny, right? I know. We'll figure out all the things, all the ways. Yay. Awesome. Okay. This next one is the card URL shortener. You want to keep this just like it is. ManyChat.com is going to shorten your URLs because that way it can track the click-through rate. You want it to be able to track the click-through rate. So leave that. And then clone this bot. You can actually build a bot and then copy it to another page. So if you're building bots for clients, you can clone bots, which is super cool. Refresh Facebook permissions. This is a golden one to keep in mind because sometimes your bot stops working and you want to refresh the permissions so that you can tell Facebook like, hey, we want to be connected, because sometimes it just gets disconnected. It's crazy technology. Okay, so that's like the go-to if there's a problem, just refresh the permissions. Keyboard input, this means that people can send you messages. You can actually block that if you want. I'm not 100% sure why you would do that. Like if something goes wrong or something, you want to just block things for a little bit so they only can choose, like if you want them only to be able to push buttons to communicate with you. Yeah, it says that might be useful if your bot has a very specific purpose or a set of options. Audience visibility. So this is your subscribers. So if this is checked, you'll only see the actual current subscribers. If it's unchecked, you'll be able to see everyone who has subscribed and everyone who has unsubscribed, which is cool. That's new, actually. And then you can disable the bot, which I don't know why we would do that, right? Okay, templates are super cool. You can go to the template section and they have all of these templates for you. OMG. Just make sure that you actually know how to get in there and adjust them, because if you're using a template and you don't know how to use it, you could create a huge mess. And they're like set up in a basic fashion. Okay. And then your profile, you just have your name and your image there and your email. And then the help section is actually super helpful. Imagine that, because they have video tutorials, the public change log. What is that? Can you guys see that screen? Oh, that's pretty cool. Let me show you. I don't think I've looked at that too much. There is a way to look at like any of the, where is it? I think if you go to this, here, let me show you this public change log first, because there's a way, if you notice there's an issue happening, there's a way to go check and see if other people have submitted the same issue. Oh, this is cool. And you could subscribe to that. Yo, I'm subscribing to that. I like it. So it'll keep you updated. Duh. Yeah, so any little change they make is super cool. You get to find out right here. I love it. So cool. Yes. Ellen says, I use ManyChat to register people for my monthly luncheons, builds my spreadsheet, and I can just, I can just copy it each month. So good. There's so many awesome ways to use it. Okay, and then the other thing I wanted to show you, not just the change log, but if you go to the support page, you can actually see help, submit a ticket. Up here on the right-hand side, there's a status page, and I love the status page because it tells you like something. I saw that something funky has happened with Safari 12. Who uses Safari anyway? For BeLive, it's best to use Chrome. So I always use Chrome anyway. But plugins on Safari 12 has temporarily been disabled. Messenger plugins on Safari 12 have temporarily been disabled by Facebook. What? So, but I love the fact that they're like, hey, this is a known issue. And then if you're having this issue, you can subscribe to the issue so that they'll, oh, wait, shoot, I'm not showing it. Dang it. This is where the benefits of 2 monitors would come in handy, but I don't have 2 monitors. So, sorry. Can you see now? You should see the status page. Let's see. Okay. So what's cool is you can actually subscribe to the issue. So you can hit subscribe to updates or subscribe to whatever the actual issue is, which is super cool because then you can be updated on the issues that you're experiencing. So they're doing their best to like keep everyone in the know. Yo, yo, yo. So awesome. Okay. So now we can go back. And that brings us to the end of the dashboard of ManyChat. So many possibilities, so many love templates. You can create all sorts of magic. We did it in an hour. Also, I'm so proud of us. And we're here on Twitch. Okay, so now I just want to hang out, answer your questions, and see if I can see Twitch on here. Whoa! Where is that coming from? Oh my gosh, I thought that was from the other side. This is like the reflection of the sun on my white door right here. So what are the other ways that you are using bots? And I can't wait till we have one here on the BeLive Twitch channel also. I'm actually going to do my best to pull up the Twitch channel on my phone so I can see what you guys are seeing. Are you looking to play with Twitch? Just a reminder really quick, if you're new here, we have just launched the ability to go live here on Twitch, which is so awesome. So if you go to BeLive.tv/Twitch, you can get access to our beta program, which is really awesome. Thank you, Tina. And if you'd like to jump in the conversation about everything that's happening on Twitch, this is for everyone here. We have a Discord channel. And if you go to discord.me/BeLive, that looks kind of weird there. Oh, it looks good on your side. BeLive_TV. It's an amazing community. There's so many helpful people in there. I've been so grateful for it because I'm still so new to Twitch. So it's been really good for me to learn from everybody else too. Let me see. Oh, I can see that we're streaming. Hooray. Oh, hi. I can send a message too. Hooray. Awesome. Thank you for your faith in me. So are you planning on using Twitch? What are you thinking? I'm excited. You know, I thought this week it was going to be so easy to start, but I've got to set aside some actual time because the calendars fill up quickly. But the thing that I'm going to be doing, in addition to doing some streaming here for BeLive, I'm really excited about launching my own stuff over on my own page, my own Twitch channel, which is, I'll put it in here for you in case you're interested. This twitch.tv/thepreparedperformer is my own personal one. And I'm stoked because I'm going to be doing some music, some singing there. I'm going to be doing some singing, some, felting. I'm going to be making some crafts. Should we try and see if I can like do this cool thing? I wonder. Oh my gosh. Let's try it. Does anyone here actually know how to use Twitch? Can you see? Okay. Scott does. Scott. So tell me, can we do a raid to my channel? How do we do that? So I've never done a raid before, so I just want to see how it works. So a raid is when you comment, you set up something on the screen that allows people to select the option to go with you to someone else's page. Like I said, I've never done it before, so I don't know if I would even do it right. But if I start live streaming from my phone on Twitch, which means I wouldn't have frames, I wouldn't have the ability to pull your comments up. I couldn't set an agenda, but I could still be there. Maybe we can do a raid over to my channel just to try it out, because I think that'll be cool. I'm actually going to go onto my Twitch channel and I'm going to go live. Oh, you know what's cool? On my Twitch channel, I'm actually hosting BeLive, so you can actually see this show over on my Twitch channel. Wait. Oh, shoot. Scott, you've not done it either? Why did I think you were like a pro? Okay. Awesome question. Would it be weird to do direct sales on Twitch? Is it allowed? Would I be a salesy weirdo? No. The cool thing about Twitch is that they actually encourage monetization, which is awesome. But you would be a salesy weirdo if all you did was come here and sell stuff. If you came here and you were creating something, or you had other things that you did in addition to selling, that would be cool. You want to make sure that you're actually providing a sense of like community. But I've met so many people at TwitchCon who are selling their stuff on Twitch. It's like seriously awesome. Okay. Yeah, we could sell Zimbles on Twitch. Totally. Okay. So I'm going to actually go live right here. You want to play with me? I think it's going to bring something up on the screen. Testing raids. This is not travel and outdoors. This is special event, I guess. Okay. So your phone has to be this way, which, oh gosh. Oh, we're facing the wrong way. Well, okay, I'm live on BeLive and I have my camera facing the wrong way. Actually, so maybe I should actually do it that way. Thanks for letting me play, guys. Okay, so this is so that I can figure out how to teach you. So I'm going to record this. Now, what I'm going to do is in the comments, I think I can comment from here. Can I actually comment in my own chat? I don't know. I'm going to go over to BeLive where I'm logged in, and I'm going to go to, you guys, you can see what I'm doing over on my page also, but stay here. Don't go anywhere. So if I go to my channel, I think I do this. I hope you're not hearing anything. So I do slash, I guess I could screen share also. Let me do this. I'm going to screen share with you guys what I'm doing. Hold on. Okay. So I'm going to go over to my, I'm on the BeLive Twitch page. So the one that I'm actually broadcasting on is where I'm at right now. Hold, please. Okay. So I'm over on the BeLive Twitch page. And then I am going to type in a little code that hopefully will set up this little raid. Okay. So when I do raid, can't see that. And then the prepared, I might be doing it wrong, performer. Not only are we on beta on Twitch, we're also on beta like me. Let's see. Oh my gosh, viewers are ready to raid. Okay, let's see what happens. It doesn't count down. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so raid now. I'm going to select raid now, and then you guys will all come over here. And I'm assuming this means that I'm going to end the show here. This is me testing. Who knows what actually is happening. This is awesome. I'll see you next Tuesday at 3 p.m. Pacific right here. Okay, bye. Okay, let's see what happens. Now, are you all here? Well, now it's showing inside my house, which I'm not sure. Well, what is happening? That is like the most crazy meta thing I've ever seen in my life. I don't know how that even happened. Are you here with me? Ellen, so cool. Okay, that is awesome. Ah, so awesome. What is this little subscribe thing? Can I click subscribe? I don't know what's happening. Am I subscribing to my own channel now? BeLive on Twitch is, look at this. This is really cool. Okay, BeLive on Twitch is rating with a party of 14. We did it. So now everyone is slowly coming in here. This is going to be the craziest video ever, but whatevs. Okay, what's cool though, behavior. Hi. What's super weird to me is, first of all, how like crazy this is. Oh my gosh, wait, do you see that subscribe button on my actual screen? That's cool. I can like move it around. What does this do? I don't know. Oh, I know what it does. I set up a Snapchat filter on my screen earlier, but I don't know if I can do that on my phone. Okay, and I'm learning so much that I can share with you later. Oh, totally. So then you're going to have to watch an ad first, which is another reason to subscribe, right? Do you see a little thing, a little extension? Like, look at this. I don't know how to use it. I'm testing, right? But do you see this little guy on your screen? I think maybe I only see him on mine, but I haven't actually set it up. It's the Snapchat camera filter. They just added that there. Oh my gosh, this was so exciting. I have a call in just a few minutes. But we are learning all of the things about Twitch, which is really cool. And I forgot that when I live stream in the middle of the afternoon, how dang hot it is in my house. So I should have turned the air conditioner on because I live in California and I live in a glass house. Check it out. All of these windows. Oh, those windows look dirty up there. But the rest of my house is all windows also. There's some swag from our event through my window. And then there's my cute little makeup station. There's a calendar, but I am going to start new calendars, which are right there. Oh my gosh, crazy town. Okay. You can see that weird subscribe thing there. I need to fix that. Okay. I need to watch other people so that I can wrap my hand how to do sales and add content. Tina, totally. I swear to you, it's going to be so possible. And this is one of the things, I don't want to overwhelm people, right? But I'm going to put together some stuff on like full plans on how to do it once I fully figure it out. It's going to be really fun. It's going to be super fun. Okay, I hope you guys can join me over on BeLive on Facebook tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific time. So Wednesday at 9 a.m. Pacific time. We are going to be talking about major changes that are happening with social media marketing so that you can stay on top of the curve. All right, this is so fun. Holy smokes. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye. Oh, shoot. We should probably raid somebody else. Who else should I raid? Who else is live? So let me just show you one more thing, actually, because this is cool. You can see right here who of your friends is live. I don't know, but I'm not friends with that many people. Those people are online, but these people are all live. But I don't think we want to go watch any Call of Duty. I'm just going to say that I've decided I'm bringing Kate Spade and Betsy Johnson to Twitch. So we're going to connect with as many Kate Spade and Betsy Johnson fans as we can. Maybe bring some like fun, joy, sparkles to Twitch, and then we'll raid people. Okay, I'll be raiding you next time. Okay, bye. See you soon. Ah. Oh my gosh, I can't get it to work. Bye. Oh my gosh, am I still live? Was I live that whole time? I don't know what happened. Shoot. Let me go check on Twitch now. This is very confusing to me. It looks like I am still live, which is really weird. So when you do a raid, it doesn't automatically end your show, which is awesome. Am I still here? Let's see. Oh, Twitch machine got unplugged. Interesting. Okay, bye. I don't know what's happening. Bye.